Divorce is never easy, neither emotionally nor financially. And the most confusing question that can come up during or after the divorce is about alimony and its taxation. Many people ask कि अगर alimony मिल रही है तो क्या उसके ऊपर tax देना पड़ेगा? Another question from giver's perspective can be, I am paying the alimony using my income which was already taxed. So, will my ex-spouse still be liable to pay the tax on this money? These are very fair questions. But let me tell you that the answer is not in black and white over here. Let me sum up everything for you in one go. If the alimony is paid in cash and in lump sum, no tax on it. If the alimony is paid in cash but in monthly allowances, considered as revenue receipt and would be chargeable to tax for the recipient. If the alimony is paid in kind, that is transferring some asset, then the timing should matter over here. If it is transferred before the divorce, considered as gift, again no tax. If it is transferred after the divorce, it will not be considered as gift and taxed in the hands of the recipient. Any income generated by the recipient of the alimony by investing that particular alimony somewhere else would be taxed in their own hands. The payer of the alimony does not get any tax relief for such payments, and clubbing provisions do not apply.